How to put story on Instagram in laptop. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open up any web browser on your laptop, then go to instagram.com. Right now there's no option to put story, so you just want to right click anywhere on the screen and then click on inspect. After this, you want to click on this icon right here. Once you click on this option, you're going to find the option that says responsive. So you simply want to click on the drop down menu. From this menu, you're going to find a list of mobile models. You want to select any one of them. And once you select it, you're going to see the changes over here. So it looks exactly how it looks on your mobile device. Now you're going to find the option of your story, so you simply want to click on that option, and just like how you would upload a story on your mobile device, you can simply select any photo or video from your laptop and then click on add to story. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.